XHLD stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Just looking at 10 holdings, sitting at $1.77, 17% down. It's quite a bit, to be very frank, but with the current things and how we're moving, not something that I really care much about. And honestly, as long as we're sitting above 137, this is still something that I'm looking to buy. Like, no doubt about this, no doubt. So I'll come out here, mark the highs out, and without the price actually showing me this shift, like I said and mentioned, I'm just not gonna buy. So I'll continue to keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, very lean way, then just click the first link in the description. That's that free source. And that's about it with XHLD. You know, people are assuming that I'm just gonna get straight in. No, I mean, actually, I'm already seeing the first breakout here, so this could be it. This could be like the second shift, and that's where I pulled the trigger. So keep you updated. But again, if you want free source, click the first link below.